Hey guys, it's Miss Lauren from the Florida Keys History and Discovery Center Kids Camp. This week at camp was an unforgettable adventure. We explored fascinating local history, including the Calusa Indians, the history of the bridges, military forts, and more. Every day brought something new, from exciting discoveries to creative hands-on projects, and even new friendships. It was a week full of learning, laughter, and memories we'll never forget. Be sure to join us next year for another awesome week at camp.
First day of camp, let's do this!
Good for two reasons. One of the reasons is we instantly make more of them, right? We turn 1 into 4. The other reason is that all these new pieces are going to grow a lot faster from going through this process, actually up to like 50 times faster.
Day 2 of camp. Here we go. Last day of kids camp. We've been having a great week. Whitney and Lauren once again crushing it. Kids are having a blast. 43 kids this year. It's been super fun. Done all kinds of activities. Painted with pasta again, jewelry making with blue marlin. Tons of stuff every day. Kids are having an awesome time. Really proud of everybody that's putting work in. So here we go. We're gonna go check it out. Heading to the pool. It's gonna be epic.
this is Miss Whitney. What an incredible summer camp we had at the 2026 Florida Keys History and Discovery Center Kids Camp. It was such a wonderful time watching the kids learn, explore, get creative, most importantly though, just having an amazing time together. A huge thank you to all of our wonderful volunteers who gave their time and energy to make this camp so special. We truly couldn't have done it without them. We are already looking forward to another amazing kids camp next year. See you there.